Hello everyone. In the last video we have discussed about the blood clotting process. In this video we will discuss about the transport of salts through root hair, how water and salts are being transported through root hairs. We will see that. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you. So let us start the topic. Transport of salts through root hair. How these salts and water are transported through root hair. Through root hair, how they are transported through root hair, that we will see today. So if we see the figure, if we see the diagram, so this is a root hair, vacuole of root hair. This is cytoplasm. So soil water is more dilute, means it contains more amount of salt compared to that of water which is present inside the vacuole of root hair. As soil water is more dilute, this soil water will move from outside and it enters the vacuole of root hair. So from the vacuole it will pass into the cytoplasm and then it will reach, this is the neighboring cells, and it will reach the neighboring cells. It will reach the neighboring cells. From the cytoplasm of root hair it will reach the neighboring cells and then into the cells of cortex. These are the neighboring cells and these are the cells of cortex. These are the cells of cortex. And then this soil water will move into the xylem vessel. As more amount of water will be moving across this root hair and passing through this neighboring cells and cells of cortex and then into the xylem vessel, as more and more amount of water is being collected into the xylem vessel, a pressure will be developed inside the xylem vessel. This pressure will push the water upward. Because of this pressure, water will be moved upward. So this is the process how salts and water will be moved or passed or transported through root hair. I repeat again. So in today's class we are discussing about the transport of salts and water through root hair, how it is transported. So this how it is transported, by which process it is transported is by the process of osmosis. The salts have been transported through root hair. By which process means it is transported by the process of osmosis. So we said that soil particles, here soil water is containing more amount of salts, means it is more dilute. The soil water is more dilute than compared to the water inside the vacuole. Hence water from outside will enter inside the vacuole. Through this vacuole water will enter into the cytoplasm and then into these neighboring cells and then into the cells of cortex, and then this water will reach into the xylem vessel. As more and more amount of water entering into the xylem vessel, a pressure develops inside the xylem vessel, which will this pressure will allow the water to move upwards. Means this pressure will push the water to move upwards. This is how the root pressure will help the water to move upwards and to reach from root hair to different parts of the plant body. The water will be moved to the different parts of the plant body. Hope guys this video will help you how the transportation of salts and water will take place by the process of osmosis. Thank you.